Breaking: explosion at Stade de France ahead of Euro 2016 semi-final. An explosion has rocked football plans outside the Stade de France hours before a Euro 2016 quarter-final. Fans arriving for tonight's match between France and Iceland heard the bang at around 5:30 p.m. local time. It is now understood police carried out a controlled explosion. Those who heard the boom have said it was loud enough to sound like it was not under the control of law enforcement, sparking fear throughout the area. The presidents of France and Iceland as well as their respective prime ministers are expected to attend tonight's fixture. Tensions are already running high in the country after warnings from terror chiefs. Islamic State militants said they want to attack the tournament. Around 100,000 police, security guards and soldiers are expected to be used across the country to ensure fans' safety amid terror fears. An extra 3,000 army troops were drafted into the capital for the tournament to add to the 10,000 already deployed following last year's attacks, which included a suicide bombing at the Stade de France stadium while France were playing an international football match. But thousands of defiant fans refused to let fear ruin the sport and followed the national team to their games. The Paris attacks in November began at the Stade de France. Police security teams have been working around the clock after threats were made to the tournament.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.